one that came up with the 407. And the CRA is a constitutional commission in this country. Mr. Speaker, before I was interrupted, I was trying to emphasize the significance of Article 96, that this Senate, when called upon on any matter on this floor, our first priority should be our counties. Our first priority should never be whether you are executive or you are not in the executive. Should be our counties. And we have seen some drawback to devolution. We have seen a conversation that, for example, Mr. Speaker, that primary health care, functions like community health volunteers are now wanting to be taken over by the national government. What is the health committee doing about it? Regardless of whether you are in government or not, something has to be done about it. And many other cases, issues of housing, which is under my good friend Senator Thangwa as a chairperson. What are we doing about it? Because this fixation on which side of the coalition we are in, it is going to interfere with the proper functioning of this Senate, Mr. Speaker. So I want to implore upon my colleagues in this House from both sides of the political divide to ensure that our guiding principle in this House is how well are we going to represent our counties and how well are we going to protect the interests of the counties and their government. Point number 2, Mr. Speaker, is that Article 219 of the Constitution is very clear that a county share of revenue raised by the national government shall be transferred to the county without undue delay and without deduction, except when the transfer has been stopped under Article 225. Mr. Speaker, it is high time that this Senate took keen interest in Article 219, because we cannot be saying we are senators, but when we go to our counties, our governors tell us that we have not received money for 3 months. We have not paid salaries. We have not stopped projects, and we call ourselves senators. We are not doing our work. The Constitution is there for us. 219, Article 219. Why are we not invoking that? Because Treasury receives money, collects money, but it does not prioritize allocation or disbursement to counties.